In this video, I am going to show you how to easily buy domains and hosting for cheap rates and from a reliable source. Okay guys, it's your boy Christian Omeje of Optic Digital Hub, and just like I said, in this video I'll be showing you a reliable source that you can buy domains and hosting at a cheaper rate. But before we go into the video, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, now will be the right time for you to do so. Just click on the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications so you get notified when I drop amazing videos just like this. So that being said, let's go and see this source to purchase domains and hostings at a cheaper rate. Okay guys, so the hosting platform I'll be introducing to you today is called Domain King. So I've been using these people for a long time and they have been amazing. So to visit them, just go to domainking.ng. So as you can see it right here, just visit the website. So as you can see, this is how the website looks like. As you can see, if you are in Nigeria, you can see it's tailored down for Nigerians effectively, and I believe any other country you are, it's going to get tailored down to your own country. But I'm right here in Nigeria and I'm going to show you how easy it is and how cheap and how reliable they are to use them. So firstly, if you look at right here, you see their prices for their domains. .com domain is 6,300 naira. .com.ng is 1,200, and I tell you, like, this is the cheapest you can see in the market. And we have this one .ng, and we have .org and many more. You can compare these to other websites. That's not what I'm here to do today. I'm just here to show you how Domain King works. I've compared it with other websites and I've seen how amazing they are. And one is that they are very, very reliable. I've been using Domain King for the past close to 6 years now. Yeah, for the past 6 years, I've been using Domain King and I've never encountered any issue. And one of the best things I like about them is that their customer care is so amazing. They reply fast. In a click of a button, they reply to you and they answer your questions effectively. So right now, let's walk through Domain King and see how they work. So now, you see they offer domains, they offer hosting, and they offer like website building. As you can see, they have website builder, and probably they are partners if you want to be an affiliate for them. But right now, let's go over to their domain section. As you can see, we have already illustrated their domains. These are the prices for their domains, and they have other types of domains. For example, .xyz. As you can see, this is it. They have .info and more. You understand? So if you scroll down, this is their website. Then now if you look at it, get web hosting for your website. They have 3 types of web hosting. You understand? They have the web hosting, they have WordPress hosting, and they have VPS hosting. So this VPS hosting is something much more on a higher level. If you're trying to do some kind of big management of your website, you can go for VPS hosting. It's very, very recommended most times. And WordPress hosting, these are like for WordPress websites. But one thing you should know is that the one you should be going for is still web hosting. You understand? Web hosting, with this you can host it on any website, be it WordPress and any other place, you can host it there. So now this is the one I've been using for all the while. I've been using Domain King. This is the one I've been using, and I'm going to show you how to get that today. So if you now scroll down to the website, you can read more about them. Why Domain King? If you check out there, they have registered about 18,000 domains under their management, and as you can see, they are Nigeria's #1 domain registrar. They're like currently they are Nigeria's #1 domain registrar, which means that their website is the highest when it comes to domains registered in Nigeria. So as you can see, value for your money. You can see here also government accredited registrar. As you can see, they are already accredited under the NIR. So I don't really know what that is, but I believe that this is like a body that regulates internet access in Nigeria, something like that, and they are registered there. You understand? As you can see, they have over 23,000 happy customers, people that have registered successfully with them, and I am part of that people. As you can see, 247 premium customer support. I said that earlier, and when you begin to use Domain King, you will know what I mean. So if you check out there, you can start a live chat with them and companies that they are registered with, as you can see, many more than that, as you can see now. So this is just it. So now let me go over to registering a domain and a hosting on Domain King. I've explained what Domain King is. You can explore it more by yourself. So right now, the first option to do is to pick a domain. If you want to create your website, yes, you definitely get a hosting, but you need to pick a domain name. And what is a domain name? You understand? If you search for, let me just use the Google and search for you, domain name. So we'll see directly from Google what domain name is. So as you can see right here, if I scroll down, you will see this place which says website.com. It says a domain name is your website name. A domain name is the address where internet users can access your website. So now you need to have a domain name first before you start talking about having a hosting for your domain name. So now, what is your domain name? Your domain name is, for example, like my own website is called christianomeje.com.ng. That is my domain name. We have other big domain names in the world: facebook.com, twitter.com, instagram.com. These are their domain name. So now, what is their hosting? Hosting is their space on the internet for you to be able to search facebook.com and load the website and see various content on the website. That is their space on the internet, and it is called their server. You understand? So for you to have a hosting and also have domain, this is how you should do it. Now, so come over to this point and type the name that you want to use for your domain. So as for me now, let me say I'm trying to register a new domain. You first of all check if it is available. So now let me come over here. I'll just type 2bricks.com.ng. So right now you can use anyone, but most of the websites I create I use .com.ng because it's very cheap and it's still reliable, and I'm still in Nigeria. So just click on search. So once you search for your domain name, they are going to show you if it is available. If it is not available, then you need to change the name or use a different domain extension, probably .com.ng, .net, .org. So if I scroll right now, you see this one that I search here. I'll just click on this. I'm not a robot. It's going to now help me search it. So I'll search. As you can see, congratulations, 2bricks.com.ng is available. So if I'm interested in using this right now, I just move on. So you understand? If it is not available, it's going to show you right here, and all you just need to do is probably change your name or you change the extension if other extensions are available right here. But as you can see, for me, I have a lot of extensions to pick from. The one I searched for is available. I can still search for 2bricks.com, 2bricks.ng, but all of them just depends on the one you are going for. These are the prices here. So as you can see, this one 2bricks.biz is very, very costly, 11,000 naira. We have this 2bricks.co, 9,000, 2bricks.co.za. All these ones are very, very expensive. So if you want something cheap and simple for yourself, just use .com.ng. That is Nigerian extension normally. You understand? So that being said, you move to the next point, which is getting a hosting for yourself. So you already have your domain ready. How do you now get your hosting? Just click on add to cart, then head over to the checkout. So right here now, you come over to this page and they will tell you that you should preview your domain. But if you notice something here, they will tell you no hosting. Click to add. All you just need to do is click here, and it's going to take you to the hosting page for you to select your preferred hosting plan. So right here, Domain King has 3 types of hosting plans, which is called the Soldier, the Minister, and the King. So if you check out, these are different parts of hosting plans and they have their specifications. So if you check out here for the Soldier, you'll be getting 4 gig disk space, unlimited bandwidth, 1 hosted domain. You can only host 1 website on this plan, as you can see, and it also comes with a 1 free .com.ng domain. With this plan, and it comes with free SSL, which is so amazing. Most hosting servers do not give you free SSL, but here in Domain King, if you check out, all their plans have free SSL. So right now you also have the opportunity for one subdomain, unlimited email account, cPanel control, free WordPress setup, and many more right there. But the amazing part of it is that they offer one free .com.ng domain with this plan. So which means that if you selected .com.ng like me, if you go over to the checkout, you're not going to pay, because your first year is free, which means you'll be paying only for hosting and you're not paying for .com.ng, which makes it so amazing. You have reduced your money and you are moving up to the next point. So if you check out the other one, Minister, 20 gig space, 5 websites. You can host 5 websites on this plan, which makes it the best plan to go for. Aside, you want to go for a bigger one, which is the King, which gives you unlimited hosting plan. But right now, let me show you something like this now. So as you can see now, each of them have their plans. You can see it, $750 per month. You see it, if you are paying for monthly, you'll be charged $750. Here we charge $2,500 monthly, while here I charge $3,950 monthly. It depends on you. You can say, okay, you just want to host one website, it's just a simple website, you don't have stress, something for your business. You can just say, okay, let you go with this. Then you say, okay, you're trying to do something, you go with this, or you're trying to do this, you go with this. But normally, what I advise a lot of people, especially if you're doing online business, is that you go for Minister. Why? It's because you're not doing something too big, you're not doing something too small. You are in the middle and you are still balanced. You see here, you have 20 gig space. You can do blogging, because we know that blogging eats a lot of space on your website. This can help you instead of going for 4 gig space if you're uploading heavy stuff on your website. As you see this one now, you can host 5 websites, which means you can host 5 different websites on only this plan, which makes it amazing. And it also comes with that 1 year free, and something amazing that this one doesn't have, it has 2 times faster website speed and gives you 5 subdomains. Apart from the 5 websites you have, you still have 5 subdomains and many more. So this is like the best. But if you are going for the Odogu part of it, then you can go for King. You understand? But for me, I use this as at this point. I still use this, although I'm trying to upgrade to this so I can host almost every of my websites for free. As you can see, I can host unlimited websites once I do it. You understand? So that being said, let me say I am choosing the Minister plan, so you get to see it now. I'll click on order. So as you can see right here, this is the domain I have selected. If I was registering a new domain, I'll just start from scratch, but I've already selected it right here. This is the one I'm trying to register. But if I was transferring a domain from another server, I would choose this one. If I want to use an existing domain that I already have on this hosting that I'm trying to do, I can choose that, but this is the one I'm working with. I'll just click on use. So as you can see right here, now they are going to show me my billing cycle. Ensure you select this. So 2005 is just for a month, but if I click here, I'll see other durations. You can see 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. It depends on what you're trying to do, but all of them comes with free domain. So I'll say I'm selecting for 1 year, which means I'll be paying 27,000 naira for a year. So that means every single year I'll pay 27,000 naira. I can host 5 different websites. I already have a 1 year free domain. So right now I'm not paying for domain, and continually I can begin to move. You understand? So now let me just click on continue. So as you can see now, they have attached this hosting to this my domain that I already selected. So just ensure that you turn on DNS management right here. It's important for you. Then you see it's free, simple. Then just click on continue. So if you check out right here, instead of me to be paying 28,200, my domain has been given to me for free. I'm not paying for the domain, you see, 1 year, but next year I'll be renewing it to just 1,200. So right now I'm paying just 27,000 naira for this domain. So if I have a promo code, I can put it here, but I have a promo code. So the next thing you just have to do is click on checkout. You understand? So if you click on checkout right here, so on the checkout page, this is where they'll ask you to fill in your billing details and your personal details. If you check out here, your personal details and billing details. So what you just need to do right now is to make sure that you fill in every of these details: your first name, last name, email address, billing address, and everything that is required here. Then you can set up a new password, because as you are doing this, you are creating a new account. You understand? As you can see, you can pay with Flutterwave using your Visa, MasterCard, USSD, or bank transfer. Then you just click here, I've read, and you complete the order. Once you do that, they will take you to the order page. So I'm not trying to buy this domain right now. They'll take you to the order page. It's very easy. Just click on pay, and once you click on pay, you pay for your domain with your bank or your card, and you'll be automatically redirected back into your new Domain King account. So I'm going to log into my account and show you how it looks like when you have bought your own domain and hosting. Okay, so when you log into your new account, you'll see your dashboard right here. So you can begin to explore your dashboard and see every necessary details. So if you check out here, this is like your services. This is where you see all the services that you have, which is your hosting. All the hostings you have ever bought, they are going to be shown right here on your Domain King dashboard. As you can see, I have some inactive ones and some active ones. I have 2 active ones right here. And if you need to see your domains, you can see here, click on my domains. And you see all the domains that you have right here. As you can see, I have about close to 10 domains here. Some are active, some are inactive, and this is just how your dashboard looks like. So you can see when I'm talking about their support, if you're having any issue, all you just need to do is open a ticket, tell them this is the issue I'm having, and they'll reply you in minutes. You check your email address and you see that they have replied you. So this is how you can actually purchase domains and hosting from a reliable source and at a cheap rate. So just go through it and get to purchase yours, and probably on the next video I might show you how to install WordPress on your new hosted domain and server. Okay guys, so that was it on how you can easily purchase domains and hostings from DomainKing.ng. If you enjoyed that session and you believe that you now have a source that you can purchase these domains and hostings at a cheaper rate, then ensure you subscribe to the channel. Just click on the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification so you get notified when I drop amazing videos just like this. And also don't forget to comment, like, and also share this video so it can grow on the YouTube algorithm and people like you who need it will get to see it. So that being said, I'm going to see you on the next video. Take care and have fun.